Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blenders for protein shakes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes. As one of the best sellers on Amazon, the NutriBullet is one of the easiest personal blenders on the market to operate. It's also extremely safe to use, with an automatic safety switch turned on immediately when you put the cup on the base. You can easily assign your kids the chore of their mornings to make their own shakes, or at least have a peace of mind when it comes to them in the kitchen with this blender. This shake blender can powerfully turn greens, fruits, and protein into a silky smooth shake with just a press of the button. The versatility of the NutriBullet is almost unbeatable. It's small enough to tuck away in any corner of your kitchen cabinets or at 3.6 pounds, light enough to carry down from a high shelf. But it comes with tall cup options for heavy-duty shake making. The power of 600 watts also makes it compatible for any type of shake. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The versatile Nutri Ninja BL770 is a perfect blender for ice and frozen fruits, processing food, and making smoothies. Powerful, with 1,500 watts of power, this blender boasts its capability of multitasking. Able to crush ice, knead dough and finely chop anything you put in there, the Nutri Ninja BL770 is a great addition as the all-around blender. Since it is so powerful, you'll have to take note that it won't be particularly quiet. It is pretty noisy and takes a longer time to juice other ingredients, but when it gets going, it pulverizes anything. It has a large pitcher, at over 17 inches in height, which means that you can make a mean protein shake, but it will also leave you hopping it around for space in the kitchen. Especially with its power, the suction cups on the bottom provide a stable base so it has no possibility of jumping around. Cleanup is also pretty simple, just stick in the dishwasher. At number 3, we have the Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet runs in a small size but is deemed a mighty mouse might because of its effectivity and power. With a simple design, the Magic Bullet is easy to use, and with its compact size, it's convenient and easy to store. The Magic Bullet works at a power of 200 watts but can take on crushing ice, blending fruit, and making almond butter. Although it's one of the least powerful blenders on the market, it still gets the job done. However, at a price, you can get this blender under $50 only. The appliance runs at about 90 decibels, which is a bit louder than your average blender, which might discourage you from running this one in the morning. However, it is small, about the size of a large coffee cup, completely machine washable, and comes with a 1-year warranty. You can change the size cups depending on the cooking or preparing job you have at hand. At number 2, we have the Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. The Nutri Ninja is, as the name states, a very deadly and efficient contraption. Powerful enough to get even the toughest of jobs done with 900 watts of power, it is also small and agile to fit into any corner counter space. Coming with 2 different sizes, you can either whip up a protein shake for you or make a couple for your partner and family. Budget-friendly and efficient, the Nutri Ninja, just like a real ninja, will finely chop those fruits and veggies, but doesn't do so well with ice. With a few different settings, you can pick and choose your tool for the task at hand, depending on what you need to get done when you're in a hurry, which makes it one of the best blenders for protein shakes and smoothies. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja BL480D Nutri Personal Countertop Blender. The Ninja BL480D is a stable, easygoing blender with powerful capabilities, but runs a little short on size, literally. Although is it a compact juicer with a lot of power and one of the fastest blenders on the market, it can get a bit messy and produce a ton of froth and pulp. Because of its size, you have to chop up the fruits effectively before you run them through the blender, which will then turn the produce into more of a sauce than a juice, but this also might be a result of your recipe. You can also use the appliance as a blender for milkshakes as it copes perfectly with blending milk, ice cream, and fresh fruits. Under no circumstances while using the Ninja BL480D should you fill it up past the max line, unless you want a huge mess. However, contrary to other blenders, this guy cleans up quite easily and is quick to wash. It also doesn't leak like other blenders, which minimizes cleanup even more. The best feature of this blender? It has suction cups that basically glue the powerful little machine to your countertop, so the blender is then super secure and you don't have to worry about the cup coming loose. Basically, it's probably one of the best blenders for under $100 available today. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.